Hey everyone! If you want to join Google Meet without a Gmail account in 2026, like joining meetings using just a link, this video is for you. I'll show you the easiest step-by-step method. First, open Google Meet, and understand that in most cases you can join as a guest without signing in. However, the host must allow external participants. Next, click the meeting link you received through WhatsApp, email, or any messaging app. This is how you start the joining process. Now, enter your name when prompted. This name will be shown to other participants in the meeting. After that, click Ask to Join. The meeting host must approve your request before you enter. Once approved, you can join the meeting without a Gmail account. You will enter as a guest user in the meeting room. Now you can use basic features like mute, camera, chat, and raise hand. Guest users still have access to essential meeting tools. If you cannot join, check whether the host has restricted access to Google accounts only. Some meetings require sign-in for security reasons. Finally, you can join from both mobile and desktop browsers easily. No app or Gmail login is required in most cases. So yeah, that's how you join Google Meet without a Gmail account in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can easily enter meetings as a guest. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Google Meet tutorials for fast and simple guides. Hey